If you've been following the print-on-demand space for any length of time, you know that the biggest hurdle for beginners isn't finding a niche, it's the tech. You want a professional store like Shopify, but you don't want the $40 a month fee or the complicated setup. Well, the game has officially changed. I'm Ryan Hogue. I've sold over $1 million on Amazon merch and scaled multiple print-on-demand stores to 7 figures. You might have seen my story on CNBC or MSN talking about how I left my 9-to-5 web developer job for this exact business model. Today, I'm showing you a tool that I genuinely think could be a Shopify killer for print-on-demand sellers called EverBee Store. We're gonna build a high-margin, custom engraved product brand using Printify and then launch it live in this video with no tech skills required. Before we build, we need to talk strategy. Most people start with t-shirts. Now, I love t-shirts and that's my most successful product, but the competition is fierce no matter how you spin it. If you wanna stand out, you need high perceived value. That's why we're using Printify's new engraved products. Think things like wooden products and jewelry. Now, Printify has a massive catalog of over 1,000 products, and the profit margins on some of these engraved products that can go for $40 or higher can be much better than the profits from a $20 t-shirt. Plus, with EverBee Store, we can launch these as a standalone brand, which means we own the customer data, something that we can't do on Etsy or Amazon. All right, let's jump into the back end of the store. I've prepared my catalog in Printify. I've selected these custom engraved pieces because they look premium. Now, here's the magic button. If you already have listings on Etsy, EverBee Store lets you sync them in one click. But today we're connecting it directly to our Printify account where I set up a pop-up shop. So we're gonna start our EverBee Store from scratch. We've built out the backend in Printify, but we need to build out the backend in EverBee Store. So I want to build a print-on-demand store selling custom engraved products for any occasion. And the AI is gonna take this prompt and build out our entire EverBee Store. It could not be simpler. In a day and age where everybody's spread thin in terms of our time being directly correlated to our money, our financial worth, there's no shame in taking shortcuts. The length of time it takes to set up a Shopify store where we're aiming to do the exact same thing is significantly longer than what you're watching me do here in EverBee Store. So as you can see here, they've built out the store for us. They've called it Engraved Essentials. So they even came up with a shop name for us. Now we can change that if we need to, but I think it's really cool that they did that. They've got a section here to feature our products on the homepage, elevate your style elegantly. One thing that's really worth noting too is you can up here toggle between desktop and mobile, and their websites are mobile friendly. I mentioned I used to be a web developer, and this was a big part of what I spent a lot of my time doing, making web pages mobile friendly. On the left-hand side, you can alter the color schemes. You can change the font pairings as you see fit. I love that Railway font or even the Poppins font. They both look great. How about Railway with Merriweather as a secondary? You can change your corner radiuses, etc. I'm gonna go ahead and click continue. Now it says, let's stock our shelves. And I'm gonna go ahead and click create your own later because like I said, we're just gonna integrate with Printify and then import the products that I've already made. So now that we've completed the initial setup of our EverBee Store, you can see on the back end, they basically broke it down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps that we need to complete for this store to be fully functional. You do need to integrate it with a Stripe account. You can open that for free if you never have before. That's for payment processing. You can add products. We're going to do that in just a second. You can join their seller community so you can basically network with other sellers aiming to do what you're doing. You can boost your sales with email marketing. It's really cool that EverBee email is integrated into EverBee Store because email marketing, guys, that's not going away anytime soon. And then you can scale your sales by running ads and driving paid traffic through Meta is usually the most popular option. And you can integrate your Meta pixel, etc. That way you're tracking conversions and whatnot, and you can do retargeting. So all of this is set up in front of you. It's real easy to do. But the main thing I want to show you first and foremost is, well, how to integrate with Printify. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to click apps. Then I'm going to go to the app market. And over time, they're adding more and more apps to their app market. One that I want to show you in this video is Printify. So I'm going to click install, and then I'm going to click approve. And in 2 clicks, we've integrated with Printify. So no excuses, guys. It was that easy. And if you don't already have a Printify account, I will drop a link in the description along with a code that'll give you a month free of Printify Premium for even cheaper and more competitive fulfillment prices. All right, I'm gonna click connect. So I guess it's 3 clicks. You guys got me there. It's not 2 clicks, it's 3. Oh, 4. Now I gotta click allow. All right, 4 clicks, maybe 20 seconds of our time, and it's gonna be able to talk to our Printify account. The reason this is important is because now it is able to import. So over here on the right-hand side, I'm gonna select, so in Printify, I called it Engraved Customs. All right, so there's a little bit of a disconnect between what EverBee is called our EverBee shop and what Printify Printify has called it. But then you can see here, I selected it and I've got all of my engraved products that I created in Printify. I'm gonna go ahead and select all and then click publish to store. I also wanted to quickly show you guys in Printify, if you click catalog, they have a section for engraving right here. And they've got quite a few products to choose from. You can see there's a bestseller there, a whiskey glass. They've got stone stretch bar bracelets. They've got necklaces. They've got champagne glasses, tumblers, glass coffee mugs, charcuterie boards, etc. They've got quite a big selection. And here are some of the products that I set up for my shop. Got a charcuterie board, glass coffee mug, wooden cutting board, a pint glass. I did an engraved tumbler, and then I did some jewelry and a champagne glass. So just wanted to show you guys, it is super simple to do back here in Printify. And I just used their text tool in their design tool to do the designing. So it's basically going to be simple, straightforward, text-based customizations. And I can see over here in the products section of the back end, all of the products I set up have been imported into my EverBee store. It was that simple, that quick, that easy. All right. And just because we went through the initial setup doesn't mean we can't continue to set up our store. I wanted to show you there's a designer over here. If I click designer and then click builder, it is going to allow me to make any changes I need to the layout of the website, maybe adding new pages, changing the text content. In the past, I've shown how you can use AI to recreate these images. You could even just use the Printify images if you wanted to. Notice also it replaced those placeholders with my actual product images in the product section. But down here, the Engraved Essentials customer insights, well, these are also placeholders that, eventually over time, as we make sales, we can replace with real customer reviews. So you would probably want to go in here and then delete these or import reviews from your Etsy store, for instance. So you get real customer reviews for similar products if you're offering them on Etsy. Again, you can preview on desktop, you can preview on mobile. Guys, this is the stuff I used to spend weeks coding to build a site like this. And now with EverBee, AI does the layout, they do the content, they do the SEO, even the email marketing is set up for you. Let me show you. So if we go back here and then on the navigation on the left-hand side, okay, if I go over here and click marketing and click email, you'll notice that they also already have the welcome series built out with 5 different emails. They've got order updates built out with 3 different emails. They've got your abandoned cart series and your abandoned checkout already built out. The summary, guys, is that EverBee Store is saving you time and money, making it easy to get a fully functional e-commerce store set up in less than a day. Now, we don't just want a store, we want traffic. And this is where my background in organic growth comes in. I've built websites that have gotten over 50 million organic visits. I mean, I've been building websites since I was in high school, so it's a specialty of mine. And I love that EverBee Store has built-in AI tools for SEO. Let me show you. This is just one example of how to use it. So if I go ahead and I click the custom engraved glass coffee mug here, well, it also is going to import our description from Printify where we use the default description. But what if we want a more SEO optimized description? If I hide myself here on the overlay, you see the brain here? We can go ahead, click the brain. This is basically EverBee's AI tool that follows you around. If you're ever stuck or lost or need help, you can't find the answer, go ahead and click this and ask it for help. I'm gonna say, rewrite my product description and optimize it for Google SEO so that it brings in organic traffic. And that's all you have to do. And then click go, let AI do its thing. Within seconds, typically, it will rewrite an optimized SEO description. If you guys weren't aware, this is important. This is your meta description that shows up in search right underneath the page title. That factors in pretty heavily into Google search. And as I can show you right here, it replaced our default Printify description with an SEO optimized description from EverBee Store's Brain AI. So it says, elevate your coffee moments with our custom engraved glass coffee mug. This 12.25 ounce clear cup exudes modern sophistication, both for your morning rituals and late night brainstorming sessions, etc. So it utilized the information that it had there available to it and then brought it all together in a fun SEO optimized description. So next, you're going to click the next button, which I'm currently hiding behind me. You'll get to review the variants here. So if you had multiple sizes, you would see that reflected here, like an 11 ounce, 15 ounce, 20 ounce mug. Click next again. Here you have the ability of enabling personalization. So go ahead and click that to turn it on and include your custom text. You can limit the number of characters that a buyer can enter. So given this is a coffee mug, why don't we limit it to like 12 characters? And I want to make this mandatory for the buyer in this case. Then I can go ahead and click update. And then when we view it on the front end, just as a customer would, it looks beautiful. The mockups from Printify look amazing. We've got our title. We customize the fonts that are used across our website and the color schemes. When we initially set up the store, you've got the price, the variations, you got your required personalization here. So you type that in. I mean, that's basically it. You can see how this website functions. I think it's absolutely amazing. And again, we did this in minutes. This is the absolute baseline, the minimum that you can expect with EverBee Store. You can go up here, click shop, and see all of our products here laid out. Again, this is the default, man. This is the basic, the baseline. Oh, I forgot to tell you too, when you look at a product page, EverBee also comes installed with pop-ups that'll say things like 10% off. I don't know if you noticed that in the bottom left corner, but it says get 10% off. Because I already saw it, it didn't trigger, but I can go ahead and click and show you what it looks like. It says you've got 10% off. Give us your email address for the coupon. Then it triggers the automated email sequences. Guys, what is not to love? If you want to skip the 9 to 5 and follow the exact roadmap I use to reach millions in sales, I have a full print-on-demand course where I show you this step by step, linked below. But to get started today for free and copy what I just showed you in this video, use my link below this video in the description to check out EverBee Store and Printify. Stop dreaming about passive income and start building your digital business. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.